It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Idol's personal life. So, don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video, cherries. Well, it's our bunny Jungkook's FF and it is an Indian Korean FF. Guys, remember all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So, don't take it to your kidneys and heart and have a good time. Translation. Let's kidnap Ryan. He said while his eyes holding the cruelty and evil which Taeyong can't understand. Taeyong, why do you want to kidnap her? He asked while raising his eyebrows because he can't trust anyone at all. Santino, you love her, right? He said while his lips curved into a small snake which made Anand shiver run down to Taeyong's spine. Taeyong, how do you know it? Santino, do you think I just came here empty-handed? I know each and everything. You know about me, how much I am powerful in Italy, he said, which made Taeyong clench his fist, and he saw it, which made his mouth wider. Santino, calm down, bro. Taeyong, I don't know what your intentions behind kidnapping her, but I will never allow it. I already hurted her more and I can't hurt further. Santino, you hate Jungkook, right? He said and he started walking back and forth while his hands are in his pockets. Taeyong lifted his straight and he spoke. Taeyong, yes, because of him, my Ryan is not with me. I hate him so much. He said his blood is running cold while mentioning his name. Santino, he's my enemy and I want something precious from him, so I want your help. He spoke while turning his head to him, which made him raise his eyebrows. In conclusion, Taeyong, what is that precious? Santino, I will tell you when the time comes. Now let's shake our hands and confirm our deal. He said while forwarding his hand and Taeyong let out his hand and he shook his hand with him. Taeyong, I don't want a single scratch on her. I'm doing this because I love her and I want her. He said while his eyes hold love for you and he wants you as is nothing more than that. Santino, don't worry, be assured and I will send a plan in my estate. From now, adios, mio amigo, he said while waving his hand and he kept his goggles and he left with evil snake on his lips. Santino POV, poo him, he fell in my trap, he's the dumbest mafia ever. That's why Jungkook easily kidnapped him. He will be my pawn and Ryan, you will be my mine. Utterly and solely mine. I will use you, ruin you, and I will make you my slave. I will make you forget your mafia with Jungkook, baby girl. End of Santino POV. After 2 weeks, the days had been passing by and Jungkook is treating you better, which made you shock and sometimes you feel your heartbeat faster and butterflies in your stomach. Avi, girl, it's the 10th time you told me that he brought you your favorite bracelet. Stop it, it's annoying, she said when rolling her eyes, making her end a slap from you. I think I started falling for him slowly, but I'm not sure. Avi, I can guess. Look at your face is glowing because of his love, and I can see happiness on your face. At least he's saved, or else I will smack his face, she said, which made Anna giggle from him. We both talked for some time, and you both parted away. You went to mansion, but you saw the house is empty. You understood that Jungkook isn't at home. How about I prepare his favorite banana milkshake? I can't prepare those meat stuffs, so it's better to prepare those. You mumbled to yourself and you searched it how to prepare it and you started preparing it. Oh God, where is the sugar is hiding? He won't allow me to the kitchen. You thought to yourself and you started searching for it and you climbed down store Then you tiptoed. Relax. You, why the heck? You are in the highest cells. You mumbled to yourself. But suddenly, the chair started shaking, which made your eyes widen. You thought you will fall, and you closed your eyes, preparing to fall. And you opened your eyes. You, Chengok? Chengok? Yes, baby girl. He said. It didn't take a few for the butterflies running his stomach. He saw your kitchen, and he even saw how your legs. Instead of walking his house, his hands are on your waist, and your legs are wrapped around his muscles, maybe hugging the shoulder too tightly. Chengok, am I looking on, baby? He said, and he cupped your one cheek, and one is on your waist, thus supporting you. You, put me down. He said, by ignoring his kiss, which made you chuckle, and he grabbed your cheek, which made you fading. Chengok, and why should I let you stand on your feet when your husband have arms to carry you? He said, which made you blush harder by his words, and he leaned closer to you. Chengok, your sweet and his machine. It's so fascinating to see how you do. But in one condition, you, what is it?
फूल से खुशबू कपा कपा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा के चिलमन में। सारे सहने नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में कोई कोई सी बातें हैं। कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये रूप पे हैरा है। फूल से खुशबू खपा खपा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा के चिलमन में। कैसे कहें क्या है सितम, सोचते हैं अब ये हम, कोई कैसे कहे वो है या नहीं हमारे। करते तो हैं साथ सफर, फासले हैं फिर भी मगर, जैसे मिलते नहीं किसी दरिया के दो किनारे। पास है फिर भी पास नहीं, तुमको ये खबरास नहीं। शीशे की दीवार है जैसे दरमिया, सारे सहने नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में कोई कोई सी बातें हैं। वो कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये देख के हैरा है। फूल से खुशबू खपा खपा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा के चिलमन में। मेरी राहें तेरे तक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है। इश्क मेरा तुम बेशक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है। साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा। तेरे मैं तेरा मुसाफिर रब नू भुला बैठा तेरे करके मैं हो गया काफिर तेरे लिए मैं जहाँ से टकराऊंगा सब कुछ खो के तुझको ही पाऊंगा मेरे